There seems to be positive response to calls by environmental health experts for government and other stakeholders in the sanitation industry to identify more ways of treating and disposing of fecal matter. Some students of Heritage Christian College are using a new innovation to transform human excreta into charcoal. Joynews' Charity Emihil's Patils has been interacting with them and filed this report.
What we are seeing here is the dried excreta that the water has been separated. So now it's dried and it's ready for carbonization. What we see here is an Aprotec. This is a towel disposal that we can use for the experiment. Yeah. So we are coming to burn the dried excreta for you to see.
For decades, Lavender Hills has been a dumping site for Accra's raw sewage. But with the establishment of the Accra's first fecal treatment plant, not only is it helping people to keep the city safe and clean, but it's also generating green electricity. To further advance the use of fecal matter, some students of Heritage Christian College are exploring the innovation. Evans Kwachi, Benjamin Nketia, and Austin Cabo are level 200 students.
After burning, you get the charcoal all right, but when you have the charcoal, it's very light and it won't be economical for use. Yes, so that's it, we grind it, then we add our binder to it. We have this cassava flour, that is our binding agent. So add it to the burnt excreta that is being grounded. Then we sprinkle some water on it for it to be able to compact the granules or the powder that we get out of the grinding.
The students have already pitched the innovation on a global stage and won a $15,000 grant to operationalize the innovation.
There is a huge difference. Let me tell you, after burning the excreta, we could have stopped there that we have the charcoal. But at that stage, it's equivalent to or is the same as the traditional charcoal that we have. And it's very lighter. Hold this. You can hold this and check the weight and ask yourself how many of our traditional charcoal can be put together to get this weight. So it tells you how economical this charcoal is.
The technology, according to the innovators, is a sure way of drastically addressing the challenge of indiscriminate dislodging of human waste into the country's water bodies and save our forest.
We've heard of fertilizer made from human excreta. We've heard of biogas. Today we are learning of another innovation, which is turning human excreta into charcoal. We can also save our environment on the indiscriminate cutting down of trees just for this same purpose. And I'm being told by the team members, this gentlemen who have put this particular project together, that it is highly economical. From the Business Incubating Center here at Heritage Christian College, Amasaman, I am Charity Emihil reporting for Joy News.